Hey there, dog lovers! Welcome back to Window Shopping Online. I'm Adam, and today we have a pawsome video lined up for you. We'll be counting down the top 10 best dog toys that will keep your furry friends entertained, engaged, and living their best doggy lives. So, let's dive right in. Starting off our list at number 10 are plush dog Squeaky toys. This assortment value bundle plush pet toy contains 5-pack big woodland animals: raccoon, squirrel, tiger, fox, and lion. The funny and enrichment toys help dogs to exercise more and improve their health. A good dog products for boredom and stimulating. They can do chewing and teething, tug-of-war games. Quality interactive playing time together will also increase their bond with owner. It's the best gift supplies for dogs. Birthday, Christmas, Halloween, or any holiday. No stuffing plush. Toys, 100% stuffing less. Squeaky toys and no any hidden dangerous stuffing. It's very safe for your puppies to play. No worry about swallow or choke on. 5 different sized bulk toys make it suitable for small, medium, and large breeds chewers. It will be more durable because most dogs are less tempted to kill an unstuffed toy. No more cleaning up bits of fluff from all over the house with too squeaky. These stuffless squeak doggy toys set have squeakers in both head and tail, which will attract dogs' attention. When you're away from home, squeaky toys will help release your pet's anxiety and pressure, keep them busy, cleaning their teeth, and reduce their destructive behavior. No need to worry about your dogs alone at home or pillows, sofas, shoes, etc. getting destroyed. With toys, dogs won't feel bored or chew furniture up. Their excess energy will be released. Good quality. Made of non-toxic premium quality. Plush fabric, incredibly safe, soft, and durable. Floppy lightweight bodies. Length of fox and lion is 17.72 inch. Squirrel and raccoon is 21.26 inch. Tiger is 19.69 inch. Easy for small, medium, and large dogs to carry, toss, and roll around with. Intensive fabric and better stitching make these squeaky toys more durable for dogs. Coming in at number 9, we have the classic Let's Meet Squeaky Dog Toys plush dog toy with crinkle paper. Dog Squeaky toy has a built-in upgraded cylindrical squeaker and hard-to-resist crinkle paper sounds. It will make a squeaky sound when you press this dog toy, or your dog chew it, fully arouse their interest to have fun. Avoid destructive chewing and barking. The dog toy is made of soft, bubble-textured plush and thickened sandwich mesh, which makes the plush dog toy has a more comfortable touch feeling. Perfect chew toy and good for oral cleaning. Double-layer mesh lining, more sturdy and strong tear-resistant. Plush dog toys features a realistic cartoon design that will keep your dog interested and satisfies the dog's natural urge to chew. The animal shape satisfies your dog's hunting and chewing instincts, keeping your dog engaged and endlessly entertained during play. Soft material can help to clean your dog's teeth, reduce dental plaque and massage gum without hurting them. You can interact with your dogs, like tug-of-war, pull, swing, flops around, toss up, dragging, so that it can keep dogs away from boredom, relieve anxiety, and at the same time enhance the relationship between you and your dogs. The funny toy is very easy to clean. It can be washed by washing machine or hand. In the 8th spot, we have Nylabone Power Chew, textured dog chew ring toy. Whether your dog is a teething puppy or a powerful chewer, these toys are designed to withstand the gnawing and chewing, promoting dental health and preventing boredom. Made from toughest nylon material, Power Chew toys challenge even the most extreme chewing styles. These durable dog chew toys for aggressive chewers come in many different shapes and enticing flavors to discourage destructive chewing, help clean teeth, and simply keep dogs happy. The Power Chew textured ring chew toy offers a fun change from the traditional bone shape. This dog teeth cleaning toy includes engaging ridges and nubs that help prevent plaque and tartar buildup as your dog chews. Plus, it features delicious flavor throughout for an even more exciting dog toy. Satisfy your best friend's natural urge to chew with this USA-made, durable dog toy. Color may vary. Coming in at lucky number 7 is Petsta Dog Puzzle Toys. Dog mental stimulation toys have a unique squeak button in the middle, which make it easier to attract the attention of dogs and cats. 3 different difficulty designs and the 16-hole dog treat dispenser design maximize slow feeding time, even beyond 20 minutes. All kinds of dogs and cats love the puzzle game of spin and slide and the seek and hide with their smell sense and paw skills to find food. Combining circular orbit sliding game and linear orbit sliding game, smart dog and cat must move the slider correctly to get the food reward hidden in the maze. Dog treat puzzle is made of non-toxic materials, very durable and suitable for pets to play for a long time. This dog toy has no removable parts because the design has built-in play parts that fold tightly and won't fall off easily. The 4 corners of the bottom are equipped with 4 anti-skid pads, which can be well fixed during the dog's slow food process. It is easy to clean, also dishwasher safe. Puppy toy has a beautiful box as the outer packaging, which is perfect for holiday or birthday gifts. Now let's talk about Benebone Wishbone Durable Dog Chew Toy, our number 6 pick. Dogs love to chew, especially on stuff that tastes like real bacon. The Wishbone is easy to handle, tastes awesome, and stands up to heavy chewing. Super chewer? Bring it on. Benebones are tougher than real bones and last for weeks. The Wishbone is curved for a paw-friendly grip so your pup can quickly grab it and get a good chew going. Think about it. Halfway through our list, we have Pifzedo Dog Chew Squeaky Toys for Aggressive Chewer. It's a fantastic choice for dog breeds or sizes. This indestructible dog toy is designed specifically for medium-large dogs from 20 and is not suitable for puppies. The innovative gas tank shape has been tested and approved by a variety of aggressive medium-large dogs, such as Alaskan Golden Retrievers, German Shepherds, and Labrador. Due to the soft nature of natural rubber, no dog toy is truly indestructible, and this toy comes very nearly through structural design optimization. The dog toys for aggressive chewers large breed made of 100% eco-friendly natural rubber, BPA-free. Chewing habits that can grind their teeth, relieve anxiety, train, and also can reduce pet boredom, barking problems. This way your dog can maintain physical and mental health and play with you happily. When Dog Chew the Dog Tooth Grinding Chew Toy. Effectively grinding teeth and control tartar and plaque growth. Promote your dog's strong jaw. Squeaky Dog Toys creates fun sounds during chewing. Provide long-lasting engagement, making chewing more exciting for dogs. This Tough Dog Chew Toys contains delicious milk flavor that dogs will love. Stuffing some butter or peanut butter and freeze will increase more interest. Unique gas tank shape, rounded and compact structure, can withstand heavy tearing and is not easily damaged, resulting in a longer lifespan. Breaking into the top 4, we've got Multipet International Lamb Chop Plush Squeak Toy Mini for Pets, 6-inch. This type of toy is perfect for dogs. Nostalgic for you and big, adorable fun for your dog, Lamb Chop will be an instant favorite. Whether your dog is into fetch or happily squeaking the toy, this beloved character brings along instant joy. Lamb Chop, a super soft exterior that is great for cuddling when playtime is over, and comes in 4 sizes: 6-inch, mini, 10-inch, regular, 13-inch, standing, and 24-inch jumbo. Coming in at number 3 is Dog Barking Control Device. Anti-bark device for dogs, 2.7x. Faster behavior modification. Chewer, digger, biter, chaser. More than an anti-barking device, our indoor-outdoor dog training tools leverage the newest patented NPS technology to grab your pet's attention and stop them in their tracks. Squirrel. Don't subject your dog to the painful sting of a dog bark collar. NPS Ultrasonic. Dog barking control devices combine auto shut-off hearing, safety with ultrasonic dog whistle technology for happier neighbors, restful sleep, and a well-behaved pup. 1 hour, rapid charge, long-lasting. 32-hour battery, 1000 mAh bark control device. Charges fast and works hard. Whether you're using dog whistle mode, strobe mode, flashlight mode, and 25's ultrasonic training mode to modify behavior without stop. Hold for advanced modes. With 8-second ultrasonic auto shutoff and a hold function that extends whistle and strobe, this barking collar nemesis is the dog. Barking control device strikes the perfect balance between rapid training and protecting pups' sensitive hearing. Tested and proven 3.4 IX more effective than a whistle for dogs, with an ultrasonic mode that delivers 2.7 sedlocks faster behavior modification than the best dog obedience programs. Our runner-up at number 2 is East Blue Rubber Puppy Chew Ball with Squeaker. This toy is made of environmentally friendly, non-toxic, natural rubber, which strictly controls the safety of raw materials. Keep the dog happy and safe. Squeaky Dog Toy helps to satisfy dogs' instinctual needs and release extra energy. Squeaks attract the dog's attention, and irregular jumps and rolls add to the fun, allowing the dog to release excess energy. 5.4 in long and 3.1 inches wide, suitable for medium-large dogs. The surface groove is convenient for the dog to grab and bite. You can use toys to interact with the dog, will enhance your relationship. The natural rubber used in the toy will stand the test of most aggressive chewers. It's soft and tough and very chewy. While no toy is completely indestructible, this is certainly the closest one. And finally, our top pick, the crown jewel of dog toys, Q-Dan Dog Toys Soccer Ball with Straps. Complying with the exact same standard as children's toys, the dog ball is made of premium PU that is the material of standard soccer ball so that it can be kicked and bounces as well. Note, our dog soccer medium balls is suitable for 20-40 Black dogs. Heavy dog pet needs to choose our large one. Large size fits 30-90 lalabis. Dog soccer ball with nylon tabs sewn evenly into the seams not only create an erratic bounce that dogs love to chase, but also make it easier for the dogs to fetch, toss, tug, and retrieve. Dog paws are printed evenly on the dog toy's ball to attract dogs' attention. There's a longer strap for people to hold onto the ball, making it a great interactive dog toy to train your dogs. Adopted the lightweight Q-Dan soccer ball for dogs can be played in the pool, lake, and beach as well. The straps of dog soccer ball is meant to keep your dog entertained, active, and help human beings and dogs stay engaged. The herding balls for dogs comes deflated. There's a needle point adapter and a pump inside as well, while other items in the same market only include a ball needle. The soccer ball dog toy is 6 inches in diameter, perfect for small and medium breeds, not for aggressive chewers. The design of rope on surface is easier for dogs to pick up and fetch, while the hexagon texture on the outside and the long rope at the top makes it easy for humans to grip and toss. There you have it, our top 10 dog toys that will make your furry friend's tail wag with happiness. I hope you found the perfect toy for your pup in our countdown. If you have a favorite that we didn't mention, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more canine content, and share it with your fellow dog lovers. Until next time, keep those tails wagging, and we'll catch you in the next video.